Remember how to open? It's okay, it's okay. Here, look. Look, look. Mommy shows you. Here. Open. Open, please. Open, please. What's in there? Keys? Yeah. And what else? What else do you have? Is there anything else in there? Money? There's the money. Let's see. There's money? Oh, cool. What are we going to go buy? Okay, put your money back in. And then we're going to, and then put your keys back in, and then we're going to go buy. Okay? Your keys? Here's your keys.
Here's your keys.
Okay. You ready to go bye-bye? All right, let's go.
See you in bed, guys. Bye-bye, Dilly. Fun.
Well, you have too many purses. All right. Let me know when you're ready. Are we ready? All right, let's go. Say bye-bye. Dad.
Bye, Dada. Bye, Dylan.
All right, ready?